Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection issues on POCO X8 Pro. So first, scroll from the top, open Bluetooth settings, then more settings. Here, click this arrow next to your Bluetooth device, then click Unpair and disable Bluetooth. Enable and try to connect once again right when here your device will show. Then click pair, and if it's still not working, then disable your Bluetooth device, enable it once again, and also restart your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.